Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to do it on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the TikTok app on your phone and tap on its icon to launch it. Once the app opens up on the screen, to make a duet, first find your desired video and then tap on the share icon from the left vertical menu. At the very bottom menu, you can find the duet option. Tap to open it. It may take some time to load, so wait patiently. Now on the left side, you can start streaming, and on the right side, you will see the specific video. Tap on the red button to start making the duet. Once you are done, tap on the check mark and then the duet video is created. Now let's proceed with the process and tap on the next button. Here you can add captions related to your duet and tag your friend if you want to, and then finally tap on post at the bottom. And that's it. This is how you can make a duet video on TikTok. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.